So we are absolutely amused by Emma here. I have my hair dryer and she was having a blast earlier while I was drying my hair. So I'm going to show you what she did, and I think it's just really funny. So, all right, Emma? She's flashing her eyes.
Oh boy.
She likes this.
Turn on warm again. It's much warm. Whoa.
What's on warm?
Oh, trying to eat the air.
Oh, is it tickling? Alright. You like that, Emma? She gets really stimulated in terms of wanting to take a bath with that kind of noise. She gets like that when I have the shop vac on as well. So sometimes we try to take advantage of that and get her moto mister and start spraying her. So.
Hey, hair rub.
You like hair rubs? That's a good Emma. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.